So we've got a BKD converted Caddy van. BKD is a 2-litre TDI engine, for those of you that are not aware. Come out of a Mark 5 Golf or a Leon, something like that. This is big power. We don't know exactly what power, it's never been on a dyno, but my bum dyno thinks it's about 300 horsepower. Massive spec, we've done so much stuff to this. It's got a huge turbo on it. I can't even remember spec off the top of my head. I think it's a GTB2276 or something like that. We fitted that for this customer. What else it got? It's got usual in it, it's got performance clutch in it, Sachs SRE clutch in it, we made an intake pipe for it, a big 80mm intake pipe. We did all boost pipes on it, it's got S3 intercooler on it, all the usual basically. It's definitely quick, it's a quick van, nice little sleeper. We did full exhaust on it, 3-inch exhaust to R32 exit. It's got a silencer in it because the customer didn't want it really loud. God, we've done everything to this van, we've done all sorts. We did rear seat conversion on it, Terran seats. And yeah, so today we've got it in for a bit of work. We are doing head bolts on it. We're not doing head bolts, we're doing head studs. We've got a stud conversion from Darkside. So we're putting studs in it, which is going to be a nightmare. We've got to take cam belt off, camshafts out and everything to do them. So we'll be on with that shortly. You'll see it later in the video. What else we got? We've got to do a boost gauge pipe because the boost gauge pipe's blocked on it. So we're putting a new pipe on it. Be interesting to see what it actually boosts, because it's supposed to be around 2.9 bar. So we shall see on that. What else we got to do on it? Oh, meth tank. We made a custom meth tank for this. Customer had it away for powder coating, so that will be getting fitted on there as well. We're not piping it up today, we're just mounting it. Customer can pipe it all up. What else we got to do? Oh, radiator's leaking on it as well, so we're going to be doing a radiator on it. So once we've done all the work, we have got permission from customer to do a bit of a POV on it, take you out for a spin in it, and just show it you. So we've got majority of the strip work done on this Caddy now. It's a messy old job. It's no quick task, that's for sure. So we're just starting to do it first one here now. You can just see stud. So we're going to do these one by one now, and then back on the rebuild. So for those of you who are still watching and not asleep yet, when I was screwing that head bolt in with my fingers, you might have clocked it at the same time as us. You were thinking, hang on a minute, how on earth are we going to tighten that up, because it sticks through top of the socket. So
your normal socket fits up front one.
How are we going to get that on?
Anything on it.
So here's the solution. Dun, dun, dun. Custom socket. Snap-on UK, Mac Tools. If you want to do a collaboration, get at me. We'll sort something. Look at that. Custom socket. Right, let's keep going. This is another one of the jobs we're doing on Caddy. This is a custom meth tank that we built. Now this does mount up underneath the van rather than mounting in the back of it or whatever, because it's got rear seats in. That's another job we did on this. We've got to do everything to this thing. But yeah, so this mounts underneath the van, gives you plenty of space. We had a custom thing threaded up, so it's got the AEM level sensor still in there, pickup point. It's baffled internally, so anti-slosh. So we'll get it on. And there it is, all mounted up. Could you tell that I didn't want it to fall off? 4 straps on it, stainless steel straps, bolted through boot floor. That ain't coming off. It's filling neck, in boot. Mind don't crap it back, but yeah, it literally just sticks up through boot floor. And when you want to fill it with some meth, put it in there. There you go. Pretty cool.